Level up your browsing game with MaskFog and FlashProxy, the perfect pair for fast and private access. Setting up proxies in MaskFog is a breeze. Download the app and create a new profile. Give it a name, then head to Proxy Service. Go into Configure Device, name your proxy, select type as HTTP. Paste in your proxy from your generator, hit Check Proxy, and you're halfway there. Now go back to your profile's proxy settings. Enable binding, scroll to account platform, choose Other. Finally, paste a What's My IP link, and you're good to go. Need a proxy first? Just go to FlashProxy. Tap Purchase Plan, pick Residential, and select the plan that works for you. Then hit Generate Proxy, choose HTTP, click Generate, and copy the result. Paste it into MaskFog, and you're all set.